Okay, this is how to make Oreo puffballs. First, you're going to want an empty Nutella container and some mega stuffed Oreos. And so then you just open this. Get the Oreo, take the cream out. And put it into the empty Nutella container. Keep one of the cookies and the other one put into the lid of the Nutella container. Now repeat this step multiple times. You'll want about 2 rows of mega stuffed Oreos and a knife helps to get the creams out. Okay. Now, once you make sure that the piles are spread out equally, you can do the next step, which we'll be showing here in a moment. Okay, so you're going to take half of the Oreos cookies, so spread them into 2 even piles. Which they're guaranteed to be even because, well, every cookie comes with 2 shells. So one of them you can just put off to the side. Now the other one you're going to crumple up a lot and put it into the empty Nutella container. Well, it's not empty anymore because you put the creams in, so. You could also do this step before the other ones, but you should probably do it as the second step. And we'll move these Oreos off to the side so you can have the full view. Now, you also probably want an ice cream scoop for the rest of this. So if you have one near you, you should grab one, like we will here. Because this ice cream scoop is going to be the only thing you should use for the next 2 steps. So once you have all your Oreo cookies crumpled, this is a lot of Oreo cookies. So if you don't have a lot of them, just use what you can for it. Okay, now the next step, you're going to use the ice cream scoop to smash it all into the Nutella container. Which is going to make it into a nice, well, we don't know yet, but it should be nice and creamy for it. So, yep, that looks good. So, let's see. Just get it into a nice Oreo crumble. Now, for the next step, we're going to want to get some Nutella. For it to get nice and creamy. Which will really help it. Then you'll start to get a nice mush kind of substance in it, which means you're getting pretty close to the next step. Oh, yes, that's looking very nice. Yep. Couple knifelfuls of Nutella in there and you'll be pretty good. Oh, yep. That looks good, doesn't it? I mean, it kind of looks like mush, but it'll be very good here. Now, one more thing of Nutella. Make it nice and thick and creamy. Which now, once you get it to a nice texture, you can use the ice cream scoop to scoop some out and then make it into a ball, which this part might be a little messy, but it'll be good. So, see, now you will have something that looks kind of like this, which then you can put into an air fryer, because the next step you're going to air fry these, which is going to make them really, really good. You can make them whatever size you want. They just have to be nice and crumbly-ish for it to work well, which will make it nice and gooey-ish. Now, put another one in here, which if you use same recipe as us, you'll make about 5 or 6 of these, possibly more if you make them smaller. Which this will get them. And then if you have any Oreo crumbs around your work area, that will make it, you can just squish them into the ball, and that will make it a little crunchier if you want it. Then if you have one that's really good, but it's mostly white, you're going to want to put a ton of Oreo crumbs and just squish them into it, because that will make the right one you want. Then just scoop the rest out, or you could save some of it in there as a nice dipping sauce, which would be very nice to have. So with our batch, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them, which will depend on which one you want, how many you want, and how small they are. So then you'll set it to air fry, and so then you'll have to put it into the air fryer at, well, let's see here. $325 for 5 minutes. Oh, right. Then you'll put a piece of parchment underneath there, so that it doesn't get all messy. Make sure they're spread out evenly across the parchment so that they don't stick together, and then you can put them in. And now we wait. This would be a good time to wash your hands, because, well, your hands will probably get can also clean up your work area while you wait for it to be done. They'll kind of look like meatballs while they're in there, which means that they're going to be very nice. They're going to be kind of like cookies once they get out. And now, while we're waiting, now we're going to show you some of our newer slimes that we've never showed before. Like, our first one coming up here is the Cloudy Sky, which this one's especially good at ASMR. Listen. It's also very... it's not sticky at all, really. So, yep, that's the Cloudy Sky. And then our weirdest one now is the Worms in Dirt, which is very cool, and it also has little rubber worms inside, like this one. Which is really cool. So that one's pretty good. Now we'll go back to check on our, let's see. Oh, they're looking very nice. And also, we need to hit 50 subscribers so that we can go live with the fungus infection. So this is a far away view of that, and we'll just wait for it now. Which at this point you can also have the leftover Oreo cookies. That's 5 minutes remaining, or 2 minutes remaining. Now that we fixed how long you want it to be set to 2 minutes. 1 minute and 20 seconds remain for the puffballs for now. One minute remains. Seconds remain. Now they're almost done. There's just a little bit left. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and they're done. And now they will look like this, and they're ready to eat. So, we'll be back on another video